Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Emochi AI. So first of all, this application is actually a AI-driven character and roleplay chat app that allows you to converse with maybe customized AI characters, anime figures, and original personalities. So you can access it on via a browser or maybe a mobile app. So in my case, I have downloaded this Emochi app. This looks like this. So for security purposes, the content will not be shown on the screen. However, you can simply launch your application and follow the on-screen prompt. First of all, you're going to have to log in. If you do not have an account, you can directly sign up. You use your Google account. It is completely free. Now, once you are logged into your account, you may go ahead and choose from various characters. Under Explorer, you will see various characters that you can choose from. You can either go for a video. In here, you will be able to view all the anime videos and also some real-life person videos. If you tap on today, it will show you what is actually happening. So you may go ahead and select any video. And likewise, you can also message them if you would like by tapping on this message button right here. Now you can go for trending topics as well. If you tap on trending right here, there are drama, romance, and so stuff. So if you would like to, let's say, message someone, tap on the messenger icon at the below left hand side and you will be able to chat here, but you're gonna have to send a message first and it will be visible here. So if you tap on this plus button, it will ask you to create character either from quick mode or expert mode. So you may go ahead, type in the character definition. You can also add an image if you would like, and then select continue. After you have created a character, you may go ahead and follow the on-screen prompt and you can also start chatting with them. Now as you do that, if you tap on this circle-like icon at the below right-hand side, you will be able to see some books. So in library, you will see all the story modes there are. Now tap on the person icon and this is where you will see your account name and you can also see the chats. In my case, I had just signed in, so the chats are 0, but as you continue chatting, the chats will be more. You will also be able to view the saves as well, followers and followings. Now right at this page, if you tap on the settings icon on your top right hand side, you will be able to see every features that you can try. So specifically, it is like chat feature that says autoplay voice. If you toggle it on, the voices will be autoplayed once you start chatting. And just like so guys, for further more information, you may go ahead, use this application yourself. Thank you for watching.